All right, so here we're going to look at this question. And the question is to find the product of the matrix. We have this first matrix and the second matrix. So we're asked to find the product. All right. So again, the rule is simple. Multiply the rows of the first matrix with the column of the second matrix. That's the rule. All right. So the first matrix, we have 3, 1, 2, 4. All right. This is the first matrix. And the second matrix, we have 2 and what, 3. This is the second matrix. This is the first matrix. So this is the first row of this first matrix, and this is the second row of this first matrix. So this is the first row, all right, and this is the second row, all right, and this is the first matrix, this is the second matrix. Again, the rule states that you should multiply the rows of the first matrix with the column of the second matrix. All right. So the first row here, I have 3 and 2. So the first member, will use it to multiply the first member here. So 3 times 2 will give me what? 6. So 3 times 2, first member for first member, second member for second member. So 3 times 2 will give me what? 6. So that will be 6 plus 2 times 3. 2 times 3 will give me what? 6 plus 6. Again, first member for first member, second member for second member. 3 times 2 will give me 6. 2 times 3 will give me 6. Alright? So with that, I'm done with the first row. Then I will now move to the second row. So in the second row, I have 1 and 4. The first member will go for the first member of the second matrix. The second member will go for the second member of the second matrix. So 1 times 2 will give me what? 2. Plus 4 times 3 will give me what? 12. Alright? So this will be equal to 6 plus 6 is what? Is 12. 2 plus 12 will give me what? 14. This is the answer to this question. Alright? It's very simple and straightforward. So again, what you do here is to use the rule of the first matrix to multiply the column of the second matrix. First member will go for the first member. Second member will go for the second member. Alright? So with that, we are done with the first row. Then you move to the second row. First member will go for the first member. That will give you 2. Then second member will go for the second member. That's 4 times 3, and that will give you 12. Alright? Then after that, you add. 6 plus 6 will give you 12. 2 plus 12 will give you what? 14. So that leaves 12 and 14 as our answer. Alright?